What is going on, guys? What is going on, guys? My name is Will, and this is Will's Journeys. Welcome back to another vlog episode. It's been such a tiring 2-3 weeks. Haven't been making videos, haven't been uploading. But today is Saturday, and we are working on this freaking Alpha. As always, black cars can be the worst to work on. Bro, what is that? Flat black paint. Supposed to look like this. Absolutely nothing. Clear reflections. This is what we're dealing with. Super hazy, super swirls. I should be able to look into my own reflection. And like straight mirrors. Damn, fresh cut as well. Crazy. Anyways, Saturday, gonna have a shop barbecue. It's gonna be fun. And then long weekend tomorrow, Sunday, Monday long weekend, we're gonna go to Sunbury Falls up north from Sydney. It's gonna be a road trip, a little bit of a road trip up Old Pack, Pacific Highway. It's gonna be twisty turns, nice cruisy drive. We're gonna go for a hike, we're gonna go to the beach. It's gonna be a nice, relaxing long weekend. Man, I can't wait to have a little bit of a break. I'm so tired. A couple of things have changed in this shop. We have a couple of workers now. We have a couple of boys in the shop with us. It's no longer just, all right, back to work. Sunday morning. It's 6 a.m. and we're gonna go pick up some of our friends. Long weekend, let's go! What is this outfit?
It's pink.
Pink set top to bottom. What about the shoes?
You're gonna buy me pink shoes. You think they're cute?
Pink outfit. Pink day. Red Bull? Are they cold? Cold. Mwah. Breakfast sorted. First stop, we're gonna go to the gas station. We're gonna get some ice. Gonna get some goodies. Get some snacks. Gas station. Let's go. All right, on today's agenda. Why are we up so early? We are going to Sunbury Falls up north. Gonna be a bit of a drive, about 2 hours, and then we're gonna head over to some beach nearby. So it's public holiday, long weekend. Been working too hard. Time to take some, get some fresh air, get out the shop. It's been a while since I felt it's been a while since we've been busy like this. So ever since we moved into the shop, it was all about work, trying to find and reach capacity pretty quick. And it's just nice to calm down a little bit and get some time off and relax a bit. Drinks ready.
Hello, camera.
Beach. So you can either do the walk first or go to the beach.
The grimace shake.
Whatever our
Some
purposes.
crazy Macca's footage right now.
Yeah.
Guys, like and subscribe for the Macca's footage, surely.
Guys,
Like and subscribe for the
subscribe.
Macca's footage. Do it.
What do you want?
The
What do you
Macca's footage
order?
goes hard, I promise.
What do you want?
I don't know. I'll look at the menu.
Look at the menu.
Where there's Sydney Macca's.
That's wild.
Let's go with.
No, you may continue.
Bacon egg muffin meal, ham cheese.
You don't want a coffee with that?
Nah. Red Bull. I thought it was like 60 something.
We're gonna...
No, we need to add the
Sure, it's a
grimace
shake.
shake still.
Oh.
No, it's on mine. So carrots, my medium grimace shake.
Wait, is it?
Ham and cheese pockets, we got 2. Ham and cheese.
You guys don't want a drink?
Because they're all weird.
They're all fucking animals. Alright, complete.
Tap.com. Tap.com. Tap.com.
92.
Whoa.
Don't show credit card
Whoa,
information on the internet.
whoa. Watch it.
Okay, you can blur it out in post. It's fine.
What is the video for?
And cheese tomato
Get
toast.
this and 2 other ones you get in 10 minutes from my pack. think is that any?
We'll get the sweet. We'll get the savory. And then we'll finish it. Okay. Well, what's savory? Like, when I take one pie between us.
I need reactions from apple pies in
Rate
the
1
sky.
to 10.
Because I'm like a monkey at the
Hold
zoo
on,
right
hold
now.
on. Let me add to the
Come on,
experience.
rate it. You gotta take a bigger bite. You gotta get the
You gotta get to
feeling.
the middle.
Yeah. First impressions, texture.
The top is a bit like crumbly,
It's flaky.
but I really love the immense amount of cinnamon. Yeah.
Oh,
Big
you love your
content
cinnamon.
right here. Big content. Food reviews. Pies in the sky. I'll take a massive one, yes.
Stop backseat gaming me.
Backseat eating.
That's Jack. An awful long time in Albania.
Did you throw him too much? Now he's throwing up.
Did you throw?
It's a solid pie. It's like a solid 8 out of 10.
Okay, I was I don't think they're gonna get lost. And two down we go. You wanna see it?
I want to see him as well.
I mean, we've seen this one. I think that's your frog, boy. I only ate this thing.
What the fuck?
You ate it.
That's me nibbling on
You
meat.
ate this thing. It's 30 millimeters long and you fucking ate it. You disgust me.
Alright. Going down. Oh yeah. Oh. Made it to bottom.
Ask for a refund.
I reckon I want to lay there.
Why are you kicking? Why is he kicking like that?
Work out 2 for 9. Alright, strong boys, let's go.
We're chilling.
Just be next to the middle glass.
Oh yeah.
Just move a little bit.
At the beach. What is?
We need some last bit, yeah. I didn't care.
Welcome to right behind me.
Do you see this?
Cheers. Thank you. Alright guys, I'm back home. I'm so tired. We made it back in one piece. That's the long weekend. We're going back to work tomorrow morning. Back to the grind. Gym first thing in the morning. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you made it this far. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace!